Yes, I am heading back, but I thought I would take a little bit of a walk rather than get on a Asok station. I thought I'd walk down to the next train station and see what's down this way as I walk. Just randomly on the street, just seeing what's around here. And there you got some massage places on the other side. I just walked past a bar that was on the side of the road. And so what I've done, I've come around Soy Cowboy onto the main street where you can see the BTS station. And it's bloody noisy here, yes, because I'm on the highway. But I thought, why not? The weather's not too bad. The sun's going down. And so it's a good time to go walking, really. What have I got here? Jasmine City. Another big sort of shopping complex. Just a few minutes walk. So if you are staying near Terminal 21, that's not the only shopping centre around. It's not the only thing you can do walking around the shops. Now I've just got to play these walkways a bit, run across, because to be honest, they don't really respect the crossings on the roads here. Again, there's another shopping complex, just a little bit of a walk down from Asok station. Maybe 5 minutes walk down from Terminal 21. I'm not going to walk in there today, maybe another day. I just wanted to walk along these streets and show you guys a bit more of the outdoors of what's around that Terminal 21 Asok sort of station. And yeah, so you can get a feel for what's around here. Again, little coffee shop. And plus I sort of figured, hey, I drank a beer, I'm trying to get in shape, so I better go do some exercise. So going for a little bit of a walk after that and having a snack is good for me. And really you can do some really just nice walks during the evenings this time of night after that 5 PM. In this sort of January period you can feel the weather cooling down. You still feel the humidity. It's still a bit hot compared to some Western countries, but you know what, it's actually not too bad. And I don't mind walking along here. And yes, you get the taxis and the tuk-tuk drivers basically saying, oh, you want lift, you want lift. Don't know what place that is. Oh, there you go. BLU. Don't know what it is, but apparently lunch costs you 700 baht in there. Bloody expensive for a dim sim. So really what I'm learning about Bangkok is that you can have dinner at any budget, really. Like sometimes I have a typical Thai breakfast. There's another nice street down there. Don't know what's there. But you can have a typical Thai breakfast for anywhere around that 30-40 baht, maybe even cheaper sometimes. Which in Australian terms, $1 is about 23.40 at the moment. So 23 baht. You get to $1 Australian. So if you're spending like 30 to 50 bucks on breakfast, like I do sometimes, I might spend 50 to 70 at my local place, one of my local restaurants I go to for breakfast, for some rice, for some mince, for a fried egg. You can have quite a cheap breakfast, or you can go your Western breakfasts. Like I noticed a typical Western breakfast out towards that Phrom Phong area. You got Robin Hood, sort of Irish pub, for about 99 baht. So for about 100 baht you're going to get a Western breakfast. And though you can pay a lot more. And just because you pay more does not mean the quality's good. You know, I have no idea where I'm walking at the moment. See, here you got your hamburgers. Look at these. Prime hamburger place, very Western. London double burger for $295, and I'll put up there, prime burger. and yeah, waffle fries. That gives you an idea of cost here, just walking around. Again, I think I'm coming across another sort of Irish pub. Well, it looks like a sort of Irish pub or English pub set up. So yeah, even just walking around this area from that Terminal 21 area is quite good. Sort of side street. Don't know what's down there. Stick it to the main streets. There's the Bangkok Sukhumvit 22 Holiday Inn. So there's a lot of sort of accommodation around this area as well. So here we have sort of Brazilian, Argentinian food. As we continue to walk. You know, I have no idea what direction I'm walking in. I'm just walking to wherever the next BTS is. So I'll tell you which BTS I'm walking towards when I get there. You know, sometimes it's just fun to go walking in Bangkok and just explore and see what you can find along the way. And so that's what I'm doing this evening. Train. Again, you've got to be careful crossing here. Ah yes, I think I know where I'm coming. Okay, for any Thai viewers, there's the street I'm just walking past. Yeah, it's fun when you have a bit of free time and you're living in places like this. You really just have to get out and see the community, see how people live, see what's in town. If you don't do that, you're just not going to know. So really just get out there, guys, girls. Get out there and explore. Suits from 450 US. I don't think I've worn a suit. Gee, I can't remember when I last wore a suit. Maybe it was 2015. Ah yes, I know where I am. I stayed in a hotel down that street. So I think we're heading to Phrom Phong train station. I'll keep filming this until I actually get to the next BTS, so you can see a bit of this street life, and I'll tell you the time of day it is. At 6:10 PM at night, and I'm walking along the streets here. Again, I did an earlier video on that park across there. Again, I'm talking about cheap Western breakfast. They go 33 Sukhumvit. That's the Robin Hood pub that I'm walking across. Hey, for 99 baht, it's very average, but I can't knock it because it's very hard to find a decent Western breakfast in this place. I think a lot of the time they just don't know how to cook Western food. So that sort of surprised me this morning when earlier I had a sort of like steak and chips, and the steak wasn't too bad at another place I went to, and had some good chips and some salad. It was actually very westernised, and I was very surprised for the 99 baht I paid for that. And so you do get surprised sometimes when you're walking around the streets. Okay, just to end this video, I did end up on Phrom Phong BTS, as you can see behind me. So this is where I'm catching the train now to go back home. And so yeah, that was a little bit of an exploration, walking from Asok BTS to here. And it shows you sort of like what's along the street at 6 PM at night. Anyway, have a beautiful day everyone.